guys, Luke Anthony here, back with another video, and today we are going to the airport to go to LA. Yeah! Going to get some breakfast at Einstein's.
And there's no line. Oh my gosh.
There's no line.
The best.
Yes.
Thank you. Three lobster.
Oh. Oh my.
Try it. I don't like onions, but...
Oh yeah. Our flight got delayed an hour, so yeah.
To rush off of the gate, we've got a air traffic control takeoff time issued at a...
And we're off.
Please close your tray table and put away carry-on items. Place your seat in the original upright.
I don't have your card. Oh, yeah, I have your card.
So long, thanks. Document the film? All right.
Going to get a rental car now. Going to get a rental car? Yeah. This is the beauty car. Yeah. Lincoln Navigator. Perfect. We're going to pick up some food. Yeah, because we all need food. Ooh.
Going to a Mexican seafood restaurant. Yes, we are. I don't know why, but I know why.
Like
now I know why.
Mexican and seafood does not go together, but we're going there.
Mexican seafood.
It's a nice restaurant. La Paz. But really, what should I get though? So many options.
Wow. Just have a few. Don't have like the whole thing.
And we got no fish, but I give you options.
That was some great food, wasn't it, Reed?
Now we go into the Kardashians.
Yeah. Okay. So we just found out that the Kardashians and Kanye West lives like a couple steps from us right now. So we're going to see a college on the water. So yeah. So we're on our way to Pepperdine University. Lovely mountains. It's a cool road, huh?
Cool setup.
Oh yeah, look at Reed's nice little setup.
Show me the cool mom driving.
Oh, look at the cool mom. Oh, all these beautiful mountains are so cool, and in the water, like Malibu is lit. The water is so cool. It's like you have water, like the ocean here, and then right is a mountain. It's crazy. Helicopter is landing right there. A helicopter is landing right there.
Show them the fire. Get a video.
Look at that.
The fire.
It was not. That's a dust
Wow.
helicopter.
Huh?
That is the dust from the helicopter. All that smoke. Wow.
That's not the fire?
No, that was the dust just from the
Where are they
helicopter.
landing?
They landed on a helipad for like no reason. We're on the way to the hotel. Nice cliff mountain thingamabobber here. A Lamborghini just passed us on the random mountain.
You see a Lamborghini every day. Why is that a big deal?
This is our hotel. Pretty nice, pretty nice. It's called the Four Seasons. Yeah. Just arrived at our hotel. There's a Rolls Royce, Mercedes, and a Maserati. Whenever you check in, there's chocolate pops. Oh.
On that side is more convention stuff. You see that way up there?
Oh yeah.
Did you get to walk? Okay.
It's nice, nice sign. Nice little patio. We are going downstairs to the arcade and the teen lounge. That's scary. There is pool tables. It is confirmed. Pool tables. What's that? 2 pool tables. Fitness center. Arcade.
Huh?
Vending machine. The pool's over there.
I just saw somebody fly by.
Is,
Put the pac-man machine down.
is that legit just the arcade there?
Yeah.
Okay, well I guess that's the arcade. Pac-Man, Galaga, whatever that is. Stargate, Ninja Turtles, and NBA Jam. Teen Lounge. Got pretty nice. This is the beautiful gym.
Put more treadmill. Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Dude, I'm getting up at 7.
look at this gym. Nice. Nice gym. Oh, let's look at this pool though. But really, look at this pool. Oh, look at this nice pool. Wow. Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you're new, and see you in the next video. Peace.